Creating the survey template. Bio now includes a survey feature to enable builders and head contractors to send out customized pre-qualification surveys to their contractors and suppliers. A builder can utilize the survey feature as a standalone questionnaire to pre-qualify contractors and suppliers ahead of upcoming tenders, or they can incorporate the survey into the tender process. The first step is to create your survey template. Similar to your project templates, once you've created a few basic templates, you can quickly and easily make a few adjustments without having to recreate the wheel every time you want to send out a survey. You'll find Survey Settings under the Project Settings option on the left-hand menu. Survey Categories, then click Add. And finally, input the category name and hit Submit. For example, a category of questions could relate to company information, and another category could be occupational health and safety. Once you've created all your categories, click Manage Questions to add the questions to each category. Again, click Add and type your question into the question field. Choose the category from the list of categories you've created. Tick the Include File Attachment checkbox to allow the respondent to attach a document to their question response. Select Active so it's available to include in your question set. Check the Mandatory checkbox if the respondent must answer this question to progress through the survey. If you want to add it to an existing questionnaire you've already created, choose the questionnaire, but I will address creating the question set next. And now choose the response type that applies to your question. Your response options are Yes, No, the radio for multiple choice answers where only one choice can be selected. Simply input the answer options in the Add an Answer field and repeat until all options have been created. Text area refers to a large text box for the respondent to add text. The larger you make the box, the more text the respondent can insert. Increase or decrease the row and column coordinates to change the text field size and click Preview to see how the text field will appear on the screen. Text field refers to a single line of text that is limited to a particular number of characters. And drop-down refers to multiple choice questions where more than one response option can be selected. Click Submit and repeat for all additional questions. Now that you have created categories of questions, you can build your survey template, or the question set. Again, this is a template that serves as the basis of your survey. Your actual survey may be a template unmodified, or it may be a refined version. Either way, it gives you quick foundations to work with whenever you want to create a survey. Click on Question Set and then Add. Give your question set a title, for example, Commercial Contractor Pre-qualification, and click Submit. Now click on the Edit link to allocate the questions you just created to your survey template. From the Unallocated Questions tab, select the question categories you want to include in your question set. If you go to the Allocated Questions tab, you will now see the questions included in your question set template. If you want to deallocate a question, simply check the applicable checkbox for the question and click Delete. At any time, you can add it back into your template, along with any additional categories and questions you create at a later stage. If you're happy with your question set, go to tab 1 and click Active to make the question set a selectable option when you go to send your survey. Check Locked if the responses cannot be updated once a survey has been submitted. Use the Copy option to duplicate the question set and then refine as needed for all the possible survey templates you require. See Part 2 to learn how to create a survey from the question set template and send it to your network.